I'm here in a magic yoga studio where we're going to use some yoga poses to take us on an adventure to the beach. I think we could all do with a holiday, couldn't we? Well, a virtual yoga holiday is most definitely allowed. It's very easy. All you do is copy the moves I do and have fun. Some of the moves will be standing up, some sitting down. So for those that use a wheelchair, watch the special moves I'll be doing in the chair so you can follow along. Now, let's get started. We begin in a comfortable seat. If you have a yoga mat, then great. If you don't, then just use the floor. Coming to sit on our bottoms, and I invite you to cross your legs. And we always begin in the same way with our secret yoga code word, which is Namaste, bringing our hands together at our hearts. Let's say it all together after 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. There. Now we're ready to begin. So we're off to the beach. Well, I think we should get ourselves warmed up and ready for the beach. So let's begin in a cat pose. Coming onto our hands and our knees. We can tuck our toes or untuck them. Now we arch our back and look into our tummies as we say, meow. Then let's come into our cow pose as we dip our bellies down, lift our tailbone and our chest and go moo. Very good, everyone. Now let's sit back on our heels and stretch our hands all the way forwards, lowering our head to the ground. We stretch our arms down by our sides and just take a little breath here in our mouse pose. We come all the way up to sit, and we need to go outside now, so I think we should open the door. Coming up onto our knees, we take one leg out to the side and reach our arm up to the sky. Now we lean all the way over one way, going ee, opening up our door. We bring our 2 knees back together, stretch our leg to the other side, reach our other arm up, and we close the door behind us. Eee. Look, out here, waiting to take us to the beach, is a hot air balloon. How cool is that? Let's come up to stand and climb inside it. Now we lift one arm all the way up and we take hold of our foot, trying not to wobble as we bring our heel towards our bottoms. Very good, everyone. Good balancing. Now we've got on this side. Let's try the other side. Lowering that foot, we reach our other arm up and we take hold of our other foot. Oh, trying not to wobble. Very good, everyone. Lowering our foot. We're in our hot air balloon. Now we need to blow it up. So let's cross our legs, sit down on our bottoms and cup our hands around our mouths. We take a big, deep breath in through our nose and blow it out of our mouths. Wow, our hot air balloon is huge. It's ginormous. And look, we're beginning to float up, up, up into the sky. As we do, we say our little mindfulness rhyme as we sway from side to side. Tick, tock, like a clock, until I find my centre. Wow, it's so peaceful up here in our hot air balloon. Let's fold all the way forwards and have a little look over the edge. Wow, down there we can see all sorts of things. Look, there's our house. Let's wave and say, hi house. Very good. Oh look, there's the park where we like to play. Let's say, hi park. Excellent. Sitting all the way up. We're coming into land, but it looks like we're landing in a tree. I wonder if we can try our tree pose. Let's come up to stand, everyone. Now, we bring one foot on top of the other, using our heel and our toes for a bit of balance. We bring our hands together at our hearts. And now we grow, 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 grow up nice and tall in our tree pose. Now I wonder, are you a tall and strong tree? Well, let's find out. You stay in your tree pose. I'm going to come and try and blow you down. Here I come. Doopy doopy dee doo. Wow, you're still standing up. You're amazing. I wonder if we can do that tree pose on the other side. Let's try. Come on. Now, bringing our other foot on top this time, using our heel, hands together at our hearts. We grow, 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 grow up nice and tall. This time, can we open our branches? Yes. And can we close our eyes? Ooh. And can we count to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opening our eyes. Wow, you're still in your tree pose. How cool are you? Lowering our arms. Well, let's get onto the beach. And to do that, we need to take big steps over the sand dunes. So standing nice and tall, we're going to step all the way forwards. Big step. Whoa, try not to wobble as we bend into our front knee and we take our elbow across to our knee. Big step and all the way back. Cool. Shall we try that on the other side? Come on then. Another big step forwards. Try not to wobble. Bending into that front knee, taking our elbow across to our knee. Big step and all the way back. And here we are on the beach where we see a whole team of crabs and they're playing football. Well, I'd like to join in with them. Would you? Come on then, let's join in. Sitting on our bottoms, we bend our knees, feet are flat, hands are behind us. Now we lift up our hips and we go side to side, just like a crab, kicking the ball. Here we go. Digger, 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 digger. Ooh! And the other way. Digger, 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 digger. Ooh! Wow, sitting down, everyone. For you. That was lots of fun playing football with the crabs, but I think I'm ready to get in the sea. Shall we all go in the sea? Come on, let's stand up. We grab our surfboard and we begin to run, run, run into the waves. Run, run, run into the waves. We throw our surfboard down onto the water, lower to our knees and lower to our tummies. Now, let's start to swim, using our arms and legs to stretch and swim out to the big waves. Shall we try our surfing? Come on, up onto our hands and our knees. We step our foot in between our hands and we cartwheel our arms all the way round, opening up to the long side of our mats as we begin to surf. Shall we try surfing backwards? Come on, let's jump and surf the other way. Whoo-wee, goodness me, we're having a very active day here on the beach. I think we deserve a little lie down on this surfboard. So let's lie ourselves down, legs long, arms by our side, and take a big deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth. As we lay still, we can feel our heart beating. But it's so lovely to be taking a moment to stop and rest and let our bodies feel heavy and relaxed. Here on our surfboards, we imagine the sun warm on our faces, like we're being carried across the waves, and it feels so calm and peaceful. Let's take this lovely, calm and peaceful feeling with us into whatever we're doing next. Slowly now we begin to wake up, wiggling our toes, wiggling our fingers, bringing our knees into our chest, hugging them tight and rolling onto our sides to press ourselves up to sit. With our legs crossed, if we like, our hands together at our hearts. And we finish our special little yoga adventure with our secret yoga code word, which is namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Ah, wow. Well done, you.